Hey, Jack. What's up?
Not much. I am just thinking about playing soccer game today. You interested?
Yeah, I'm always down for a game. Where do you want to play?
How about the park by my house? It's got a good field and plenty of space.
Sounds good to me. What time were you thinking?
I was thinking around 4 p.m. Is that too late for you?
No, that works for me. Should we invite some other friends to make it more fun?
Yeah, that's a good idea. I can ask a couple of my friends if they're available.
Cool. How many people do you think we should have on each team?
I think 5-on-5 would be good. It's not too many people, but it's enough to make it competitive.
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Do we need to bring anything? Balls, goals?
I'll bring a ball, and I think the park has some goals we can use. But if you have any extra soccer balls, you should bring them too.
Alright, I'll bring a couple, just in case. What about water? Should we bring some?
Definitely. It's going to be hot out there, so we'll need to stay hydrated.
Good point. I'll bring a cooler with some water bottles, and maybe some snacks.
Sweet. I can't wait to play. It's been a while since I've been on the field.
It is same here. I'm looking forward to it. Do you think we should set up any rules beforehand?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. How about no slide tackles and no rough play? We don't want anyone getting hurt.
Absolutely agreed. And what about time? Should we play until a certain number of goals, or for a certain amount of time?
Let's play for an hour and see how many goals we can score. That should be enough time to get a good game in.
Sounds good to me. Is there anything else we need to discuss?
Not that I can think of. Just make sure you bring your A game because I'm going to bring mine.
Huh, you got it. See you at 4 p.m.
See you then. Let's get ready to play some soccer.
Hey, John. How are you?
Hey, Jenny. I am fine. How are you today?
I can't be better. Where are you going?
I am going to play soccer with Jack.
Wow, you play the soccer? It is amazing.
Yeah, I sometimes play soccer with my friends after school.
Oh, really? Are you a good player?
No, not at all. I am not a good player. It has been short time since I started this sport.
Aha, which position do you have?
I am a defender. Ah, it is embarrassing.
No, I am proud of you. You would be a good soccer player. Where are you playing soccer?
In the park, around Jack's house.
Ah. Okay, if I have time, I would like to watch the game, but I need to go to language school now.
Oh, it is a pity. Yes, if you are coming with me, it would help me to show a good play.
Hopefully, next time. See you again.
Hey, I didn't expect so many people to show up. I am surprised to see that other friends bring even more soccer balls and snacks.
Yeah, me neither. The more, the better, right?
Definitely. Okay, let's divide into teams. It is almost 4 p.m. How about you and I pick the teams?
Sure. I'll go first. I pick Alex.
Okay, then I pick Maria.
Alright, now let's agree on the rules we discussed earlier. No slide tackles and no rough play.
Fully agreed. And let's play for an hour and see how many goals we can score.
Sounds good. Who wants to start with the ball?
We go first.
It is okay. Let's get started with the game.
This is so much fun. I haven't played soccer like this in years.
I know, right? It's great to be outside and active, and even better to be doing it with friends.
Did you see? Two teams are evenly matched.
Right, both sides are making some impressive passes and shots.
All the players are also having a great time and laughing and joking around as they played.
Yes, same to me.
Wow, that was an amazing game. It was an hour of intense play. The two teams were tied, with a score of 4-4.
Yeah, the score does not matter. Nobody was really concerned with the score.
Yeah, they are all just happy to have such a great time, playing soccer together. Thanks for inviting me, Jack.
No problem. I'm glad you had fun. We should do this again sometime.
Definitely. Maybe we can make it a regular thing, and invite even more people next time.
That sounds like a great idea. Alright, let's pack up and head out. Thanks again, everyone, for coming out to play.
Man, that was so much fun. I forgot how much I enjoyed playing soccer.
I know, right? It was great to see everyone having such a good time.
Yeah, and it was awesome that so many people showed up. I didn't expect that many.
Me neither, but I think word got around that we were playing and people got excited.
I think we should definitely do this again sometime. Maybe we can even make it a weekly thing.
That's a great idea. It would be good to have something to look forward to every week.
And we can invite even more people next time. The more, the merrier, right?
Definitely. We could even make it a tournament and keep score to see who the ultimate winner is.
Yeah, that would be awesome. We could even have prizes for the winning team.
I like the way you think. This could turn into something really big.
Who knows? Maybe one day we'll even start our own soccer league.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But I do think we should keep playing and see where it takes us.
Agreed. Alright, let's finish our drinks and head home.
No problem, man. It was great to play with you again. Let's do it again soon.